All right, so am I the best person to give you financial advice? No. Do I impulse buy just about everything? Yes. Do I work for a lender? Nope. But do I know a lot about wheels and tires? Heck yes, I do. I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and I'm about to hopefully answer some of the questions you have when it comes to financing. So the big question is, how does it work? It's really pretty simple. You decide you want wheels and tires or a lift kit or just about anything from a website, and then you check your bank account, and that's when you realize you have about $37 left. So you head back to the website, and that's when you see this buy with monthly payments option thing. Now, Custom Offsets is not a lender, and we can't borrow you money, but we do work with this other company called Affirm, who can help you with financing needs. Affirm is a platform that connects the customer, which is you, to a bank, but without the hassle of actually needing to go into your bank. You basically plug in your information right on the website, and away you go. They can get a decision to you in a really short time in almost every case. So I won't get into all the boring details because, number one, financing has a bunch of legal mumbo jumbo that if I mess up, I guess I get in some sort of huge trouble or something, I don't know. And two, no one wants to hear it anyway. If you choose to pay over time with your truck parts, it allows you to maybe get more things done at once or save your cash for installation costs. A good example is instead of buying wheels, then tires, and then a lift kit all separate, you could get it all at once and then keep the cash that you do have saved up to pay your local installer rather than stacking up parts in your garage as you keep saving. This basically allows you to go from a boring stock truck to a completely built truck in just a short period of time. So then everyone wants to know, how much does it cost to finance? And the best news is, if you're watching this video the minute it gets posted, you can actually take advantage of financing as low as 0% APR. Any other time when this promotion isn't running, Affirm can offer rates anywhere from as low as 0% APR all the way up to 30% APR. As far as what a monthly payment might cost, we display what the estimated payments are right on the website, but you decide what your monthly payment is by deciding if you'd like to spread it out over 3, 6, or 12 months. And for even larger purchases, there are different tiers that offer longer repayment options. A purchase over $3,000 would allow you to repay over up to 36 months. If you want to check out what you can buy with monthly payments, check out our website at customoffsets.com and start browsing. For more help with financing, you can drop your comments below or check out the links that we've provided in the description. And here comes the fast talking. Affirm payment subject to credit check and approval. Down payment may be required. Rates from 0 to 30% APR. For purchases under $100, limited payment options are available. Affirm loans are made by Crossover Bank, a New Jersey state chartered commercial bank, member FDIC. See www.affirm.com/FAQs for details. Peace. I nailed that.